Adra Housing are fully supportive of CHC's Ends Won't Meet cost of living report and the actions outlined within the report. The increase in cost of living costs is continuing to impact social housing tenants throughout Wales. Over 14,000 customers have received financial support from housing associations in Wales in the last 6 months of this financial year. That's a 74% increase compared to the previous financial year. Food, energy costs and fuel costs are putting pressure on household budgets. As a result, more and more social housing customers in Wales require support with debt. These pressures impact on our residents' health and well-being. We firmly support CHC's call to action on UK Government and Welsh Government via this report to commit to safeguarding residents and supporting them during these difficult winter months. This includes providing support with energy costs, providing and protecting emergency funds, the vital ones, and fuel and food poverty. Housing associations in Wales in turn will continue to support our customers with financial support and advocacy and make sure our customers know that we're there to support them.